In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do something super simple using this online photo editor called Photopea. I've heard it pronounced Photopea. I think I'm going to stick with Photopea. Anyway, I have an image here that I'm going to use for another project, and I want to remove this writing right here. I just want to keep the images and this stuff down at the bottom. So first thing I did is I went to www.photopea.com, Photopea. It's basically an online photo editor very similar to Photoshop. I have this image that I just simply drug from my computer into this browser window, and now I can edit it. Super easy to do this. All you want to do is over here on the left side and choose your eyedropper tool. That allows you to select the color you want to use for your paintbrush. Click somewhere in here that matches the color in the background, in this case white. Now over here you see white is loaded in the palette. Now I just want to go over to my brush. I can left click here and start painting, or right click and select brush tool, pencil tool, and so on, but I'm going to use brush tool. I'm going to left click there, and once I get over in the image I can shrink the size of the brush or increase it. So I usually keep it right about here, about 100 pixels. And just left click, hold down the left mouse button and drag over everything you want to cover with that background color. And again, remember we chose white. Anything you want to be white, there you go. Done. Just like that. Now, if for example I wanted to use a different color like this blue, I could go here to the eyedrop tool and select that color. And if you notice here, the background color changed to the eyedrop tool. And then of course, when I go back to my brush tool, it'll be blue. Okay. Now, obviously I don't want to do that. My whole point was just to remove that text, which is exactly what I want. And then I can go here later, type tool, and start typing whatever I want. Just select it by clicking and dragging on it. I can increase the font size like so. I can change the font type to anything I want, and then I can go to my move tool right here, because remember this is a layer. There's the background image here. The typing created a new layer, so I can now move using this move tool. I can use this. I can move this text anywhere I want. Let's say I want that text a little bit bigger. I can just select it, go back and increase the size some more, and then move it again. So that's how you can remove text from an image very simply. Once you have that done, you go up here to File, Export as JPEG, click on Save, and then save it in the location of the file that I'm working on. And now, of course, when I double click on that image, there it is with no text. So that's what I want to be part of my thumbnail for another video I'm working on. If you enjoyed this video, click on that like button. If you enjoyed this type of content, make sure you click on that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell to get notified every time I upload new content. Have a great day.